It's time for word study! And today we are going to move into comparing endings. Comparative, we call them comparative endings. I'm using ER and EST, and we're going to go through this little video together, okay? When we add ER to EST, and as you can see, it's going to start with phonics. Comparative endings, ER, EST. We have think and thinking, or think and thinking. Here, think is the base word, and I think she just spelled it wrong. And thinking is a base word with adding ing, which we've seen that before. But today we're going to learn how to read and spell words with the endings ER and EST. We're also going to learn when do we use ER and when do we use EST. So we have the word fast, and it's the base word that can be faster if we add ER or fastest if we add EST. And now look at our three cars. We have the blue car, the yellow car, and the red car. And think about what we know about them. We can say that the red car is faster than the blue car. Would that be true? We can assume that because it's in the lead. We can say the red car is faster than the yellow car. Would that be true? We would think so because it's ahead of them. So we can end with the statement of the red car is the fastest car. Now we're going to learn, why can I use EST there at the last sentence and not in the first two sentences? So the question is, when do we use ER and when do we use EST? Well, we use ER when we compare between two things that have the same adjective. So remember, an adjective is a word that describes. So when we're using the same adjective, we can use ER, such as the horse is bigger than the lion. That is true. The horse is bigger. So here we have the word bigger. The root word or base word would be big. We double that G since it's a CVC word and add ER. We use EST when we compare between more than two things that have the same adjective, such as lion is the fastest animal. So here we have 5 animals we're talking about, and lion is the fastest. We could say elephant is the heaviest. So here we have hard. If we're comparing two things, we can say it's harder. And if we're comparing more than two things, we would use hardest. Tall would be our base word. Taller for comparing two things, or tallest if we're comparing more than two. Same with big, bigger, and biggest, such as the elephant is bigger than the monkey. Here are some sentences we can read. A car is smaller than a bus. True? Yes. Mike is taller than Sam. Or in our class, we can say Eli is taller than Charlie. Is summer hotter than spring? We certainly hope so. Cheetah is the fastest animal. So they're comparing the cheetah to all the other animals. And diamond is the hardest rock. So they're comparing the hardness of a diamond to all the other rocks. And Adam is the tallest student. All right, we're gonna stop it there. But you have the idea, you get the idea of ER is when you're using the same adjective compare two things, and we use EST when we're using the same adjective to compare more than two things. ER means more, and EST means most. And I'm trying to think if I have that video up to share with you. I don't think I do though. I might. So today, yes, I do. So let me pull up your quick assignment here so you guys know what you're doing. Sorry about that. There we go. Maybe. Not be, there we go. All right, so here's your assignment. You're going to compare. There's some words at the bottom, and you're going to decide, do they go more? Remember, ER means more, and EST means the most of all. So you're going to type in your words up here. You may not use all the lines. You might use all the lines. I can't remember. So that is your assignment today, and you'll find that in Google Classroom. All right? Enjoy.